Hey everybody, Brad, Nelson Ridge Farm. Today just doing a few farm chores first. Gotta feed the horses, so I'm gonna go get some hay. Thank y'all very much. Appreciate y'all watching.
Line, you can't get here fast enough. Light a truck and fire it up. Lean on the gas and off the clutch. Leave Dallas in the dust. I need you in a rush. So baby, love.
Hey everybody, it's Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Good morning. Hello to everybody out there. Welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if this is your first time to the farm here. Today I'm right behind Gray and Oma's house. This was the house. The tornado came really right across this area. It almost passed their house. There was just a tiny bit of damage done. That was repaired. Some of the trees in that yard were affected, but then it touched down right on this ridge right behind them. What you can't really see from this camera angle, there's a huge draw between us here. So there's some trees down in there I won't go after. Maybe I'll go after later with the tractor and try to pull some logs up here if we have, spare time for extra credit. But right now I'm trying to clear a lot of this damage up here. So we came and then had the loggers log all the stuff that they could after all the blowdown. And so a lot of these are the tops here. So I'm gonna just buck today. So we're improving these trails up here a little bit. The logging roads were pretty rough. They had big, huge tractors that could get in here. They made some big ruts, but we're trying to get those smoothed out. I got the Gray's mule up here just now, so no problem. And eventually I'll be able to get the truck and the splitter and everything up here, and we'll make work of this. So some of this right here, bucking up, is my project for today. Thank y'all for watching. Short video. I heard turkeys gobbling behind me, so we'll go check it out. I'll see y'all later on.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
All right, thank you. Today's the next day. We came and did our little experiment. We brought the mule up, towed the splitter there, and to see how close we could get to the wood. Worked out good. All right, so that'll wrap it up today. We did some bucking yesterday and some splitting, turkey hunting. Crazy video. So thank y'all for watching very much.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Thank y'all very much. Talk to you later.